Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a Mark 4 Golf. Now what the customer wanted on this vehicle was CarPlay, and it had the singled-in stereo in there with the then singled-in CD player above it, but obviously that allows us to fit a doubled-in unit to fill the aperture. So I'll show you inside the vehicle now. This is really given the vehicle far more modern features that the customer wanted. I'll show you now. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle. So on this Golf, it was quite a high-spec Golf. So this had got the steering wheel controls here, and this is the unit itself. So as you can see there, it looks really nice in the dash, and obviously this has got Apple CarPlay, so all the features that you'd want. Obviously this DMX8020DABS is a really fantastic wireless connection, so obviously this is no longer, there's nothing plugged in there. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to add CarPlay, give the guys at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.